If you want to maintain your privacy while using Dropbox, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open Dropbox. Launch the Dropbox application on your device or visit the Dropbox website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or initials in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and select settings from the options provided. Step 3. Navigate to privacy settings. In the settings menu, look for the privacy tab. Click on it to access the privacy-related options available for your account. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, find the option related to your online status. You may see a toggle or checkbox that allows you to show or hide your online presence. Disable this option to hide your online status from others. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes you made. Look for a Save button or a similar option at the bottom of the settings page and click it to ensure your preferences are updated. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Dropbox, allowing for a more private experience.